Doing makeup can be a hassle, and to get a really good makeup look, it can take several hours to get it right. However, there are techniques that will allow to get a really good makeup look in less than 20 minutes. So for this episode of Stacy Links Presents, I'm going to show you my quick makeup routine to get a look just like this in 15 to 20 minutes. Stick around, I'll be right back. Alright, so welcome to my channel. I'm Stacy, and in this episode I'm going to show you my quick makeup routine to do your makeup and make it look like this in under 20 minutes. And I'm going to do it without using foundation. But before I get started, what I'll get you to do if you're new to this channel or you haven't subscribed yet and you're a member of the LGBTQIA+ community or otherwise just an ally, make sure you go down below in this video and hit that subscribe button and click the little bell beside to be notified anytime I upload new content or right before my episodes premiere. I have playlists with videos on my makeup routines, fashion, jewelry, and product reviews that I would urge you to go watch. Plus, I'm doing advocacy for the LGBTQIA+ community and documenting my transition as a solo parent. Also, don't forget that I have all of my original music videos and all my cover videos on my YouTube channel in those respective playlists, so make sure you go check them out. Also, if you're not following me on any of these social platforms, make sure you go down below in the description and check out the links for my social media pages and go follow me there too. Alright, well let's get started. Alright, so we'll start at the beginning. I am done my face prep and everything. So you can choose to use primer or not, but in this technique, I just go straight to the concealer. The concealer I'm using is the e.l.f.'s Hydrating Camel Concealer, and it comes in several different shades, so you want to try to match it up to your skin tone. And I'm going to apply it with this blender sponge here. So first I'm going to do, like usual, I'm going to wet it down like that, and then as usual it swells up to twice its normal size. So then we'll take the concealer and I'll start dotting it around my face, starting up here, and then my eyes, and then I'll go here, and here, and then a little bit on my nose there. So started with that, and then I take the blender sponge and I'll just pat around, try to spread it out evenly. And then I'll go onto my nose. Alright, and there's the first layer. So then the next thing I do is I'll go to my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder with a powder puff, and I'll go around and I'll just powder down on all these areas, try to even it out. And at the same time, I'll be smoothing this out. And then blending it in like this. Alright, so then the next step, I will move on to the makeup artist's secret weapon, bronzer. And I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in a sunlight shade. You can tell it's well used. And then this is a bronzer brush. So we'll take a little bit of this and we'll do the halo effect like usual. All right, so I just have it all blended in like that. So the next thing I'll do is I'll move on to blush. And the blush that I'm using is this Color Street Bashful blush. It's kind of a sparkly blush. And I'll use this brush. I'll take a little bit of it like this, and I'll apply it directly to the apple of my cheek. Just like that. And then I will come to this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And this one has 3 color shades. But I'm only going to use the contour one with this chisel brush. So just take a dab of it and then just sweep back towards your ear along the top of your cheekbone. We'll do the other side. All right, next I go on to my eyes. And for my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using this Beauty Treats Wild Romance palette. I'm gonna start with my lids, and I'm gonna do just basic eyeshadow. So this is a great look for just casual wear or going to work or, you know, that sort of thing. Okay, so then I'm going to take this brush, and to go with my outfit, I'm going to use this pink over my brow bone. All right, and then I'm going to take this round tip brush, and I'm going to use this shade here in the crease line. Lightens and blends it, just like that. All right, so I'm going to move on to the setting step. I will use this NYX Matte Finish Professional Setting Spray. Usually, if you're not expecting a heavy wear of your makeup, if you're not going to be in any intense heat or moisture, sweat, this is good enough just for, you know, an average day's wear. So once again, we're gonna do, like I've done before, we're gonna do the T and the X. So we're gonna go like this. Don't get it on your lips. All right, so then I'm gonna do just a basic eyeliner look, but I'm going to use this, this LA Colors eye marker. It's liquid eyeliner, except it's in a felt tip. So we're gonna start. And there's that one. I'm gonna do the other one. And there we go. And then last but most certainly not least, I'm going to use the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. This one here is Love That Pink. This is one of my favorite shades I've had for a long time. And there we are. All right, so thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button down below and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about my quick makeup routine, and let me know if there's anything that you do that helps to do your makeup quickly. And make sure you go check out all my back episodes and all my original music videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.